Of the morning. Y'all are not crazy. I did not post a Saturday park adventure this previous Saturday because my schedule has become a little bit hectic. So I'm trying to figure out when I can shoot these and have them scheduled out for you guys. So we'll have that consistency of weekly releases. But nonetheless, we got one this week, and today we are in Buena Vista Park. This is located right across from the Little League baseball fields and the old Comcast building. On Rosa Parks. If you're unfamiliar with the area, it is in Metro Center area, North Nashville. You can get here a number of ways. You can take the interstate to Rosa Parks exit, or you can come down West Trinity Lane and make a left once you hit Clarksville Pike and make another left back towards Rosa Park. It is directly behind the Luby library. So this is actually the first park we've been to in a while that has a swimming pool. So I'm going to walk you guys up there and show you it. But it is pretty much your standard metro park. So it has all of like the baseball fields we keep seeing. But oddly enough, they don't really have a basketball court. We are on the back side of Luby Library, but the pool is here. Seems like a large pool. By it being such a large pool, they have several posts for guards, as you can see, or maybe you can't. On the ground there, it says 12 feet, so this one gets pretty deep. So it's definitely one of the deepest swimming pools we've seen at a park. I didn't even know that was a thing. I can't swim. I can't say I jump into that either. I typically jump into the water, but 12 feet, that's something to think about. I don't know. As I'm getting older, I kind of slow down my risk these days. I'm like, somebody, if it's something somebody's died from before, such as drowning, I'll rethink that bull crap now. But 12 feet, it's deep. I can't swim, don't do it. That's my motto now. Maybe if it's 3 to 5, okay, I can always stand up. I'll dive in it. Maybe even 6, but 12, nah, that's a whole nother monster. So what I'll say about this park is that it's oddly spaced out. So you have a parking lot that's serving as the back entrance to the library, as well as a walk up to the pool we just came from, and then it's a basketball court. So there's not like an official court made. There's just 2 goals in a parking lot, and that's it. So I think this is the first park we've encountered that's had this weird layout. Right beside the parking lot are the fields, the baseball fields. So we always have those at the metro parks. So this looks big because of the fields, but it really isn't a big park. You're seeing everything you're going to see. This isn't a park I would recommend you come to even lay out in a field, because you really have very limited space that will give you that type of quiet that you want while you're doing it. The entrance is where there's plenty of greenery, but not enough to block out the noise. And then this back half here, you'll be sitting in between bleachers and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I think it would be nice to see Metro Parks put some more sidewalks in this area. That way anyone who lives close can kind of take advantage of walking around here more safely. Because right now it's not that safe to walk. I mean, you're either in a parking lot or on the street when you're walking here. So that would be nice, and that'll open the park up more to other types of pedestrians. And also clean this mud up. I mean, I think the whole parking lot needs to be redone. It's kind of uneven, and it looks like people come and do like donuts and burn rubber here, and then it's spray painted with like different tags. Just, yeah, it needs a little work. Definitely go back through the Saturday Park Adventure series on this YouTube channel. I've created an entire playlist for it. Well, that's gonna do it for this Saturday Park Adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future adventures, and check back here every Saturday for a new one, guys. Deuces.